Welcome and Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope everybody's having a happy holidays and enjoying the season. Let's get started with episode 3. Now, I don't get a ton done in this episode, but I do get my roads drawn, and I also add a little bit of more dimension to the layout. To start, I'll be using a small piece of foam I have left over from before. And here are the items I'll be needing: Sculpt-A-Mold, a wire brush, and tacky glue. First, I place the foam, and then I mark where I relatively need to cut. A regular pocket knife will have to do. Instead of cutting straight down like this, I'll be cutting more at an angle. Not the best cutting device, but it does the trick. Once I have a decent cut, I can easily snap the foam. Here's what it looks like at first, but I will be cutting a lot more off of it. Alright, that's much better. I make sure to wire brush the area, then I put some glue in the foam. Now to put it in place. If you would like, you can always pin it down to make sure it doesn't move. Once in place, I put some spray cans on it for weight. Then the wire brush is used again to prepare for the Sculpt-A-Mold. It is messy, so be careful. Now to add some regular water, just not too much. When working with Sculpt-A-Mold, you must be decently quick or it starts to harden. I'd say you have about 15 minutes or so. I'll be putting it along the edges to smooth it out a little bit more naturally. As it starts to dry, I continue smoothing it all out with my fingers. Here it is almost all the way smoothed out, and now we have a little bit more dimension to the layout. Next and lastly, we'll be drawing in the road that will go here. The road width I'm going with this time is going to be 3.5 inches wide, and it will start about 3 inches into the foam. It's a simple task. I just mark every few inches or so, then draw a straight line with a ruler. I continue the same exact process for the other side. To do the curved part on the right, I'll be using the old Sharpies and a piece of foam trick. I just mark 3.5 inches, then stab the Sharpies into the already made holes. This will allow me to keep a consistent same distance. The name of the road will be 11th Street, similar to how it is in real life. Alright, well that's going to be pretty much the end of the video, and that's all I really got done in this week. I've been pretty much busy working, shopping, and doing all that Christmas stuff that everyone else is doing. But next week I'll have a lot more done, I'll have a lot more progress, and hopefully the video will be a little bit more longer. And trust me, it will be a longer video. Well, like I said, that's going to be it for episode 3 of building a large HO scale layout. I hope everybody has a happy and safe Christmas, and also a happy holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas. As always, I appreciate the support very much, and I will catch you guys in the next one.